I don't think there is a more important course to take in light of what's happening globally. I think the field of infection prevention and control is something that's come to the forefront, partly because we recognize that pandemics and epidemics and outbreaks will happen, but how do we mitigate their spread? And that's where the IPAC practitioner really comes into play.
We now know the risks of spread of viruses and other infectious diseases goes beyond just the classic healthcare environment. It's been a huge burden in long-term care, hospitals, but also now in public health and other places where people live together in what we call congregate settings. The other group we need to think about also are our first responders, paramedics, fire, police, and others who are on the front lines of providing services and care to people in difficult situations.
This course applies to anybody that's interested in infectious disease and how it spreads. We know that the next 50 years are going to be a big impact on the way new bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites will transmit. We've seen the emergence of new pathogens as a result of climate change, and I think that's just going to get worse before it gets better.
When you complete this course, you will be able to identify what the risks are for infectious disease transmission, what you can do to prevent it. We teach you the epidemiology, how to collect data, how to analyze the data. You learn about how these pathogens work. What are these germs, viruses, bacteria, fungi, etc. What are they really doing? We talk about the diagnosis and how to put practices into place to prevent transmission for resistant bacteria, viruses, and all manner of infections. And then how to also manage an outbreak and how to manage a program and how to build a program so that you have an effective line of defense against these infectious disease threats. So it's quite a comprehensive program that really sets you, on a career path to be an infection prevention and control professional and expert.
From bench all the way to bedside, this is a really comprehensive course taught by some exceptional faculty members with real world experiences.